Hello class. For Journeys today, you are going to watch 2 videos and complete 2 assignments. For this video that you are watching right now, we are going to go over a couple of grammar items in your Old Yeller unit. Okay? For the next video that you are going to watch, you are going to learn about the vocabulary words of the Old Yeller unit. The 2 assignments you have. The first assignment are going to be 2 grammar pages in your softcover book, pages 79 and 80. The second assignment is to answer a question using one of our vocabulary words and using the online resource of Flipgrid. So make sure you post your video and also respond to another student in the class. Okay? All right, here we go. So for today's grammar lesson, we are going to be learning about direct objects and compound direct objects. They're very similar, okay? So direct objects are a person, place, or thing that receives the action of a verb, okay? The person, place, or thing that receives the action of a verb. And I'll show you some examples. What you should be looking for as you read your sentences first is the verb when you're looking for the direct object. Once you find that verb, you're going to say, which thing in this sentence receives that action? And I'll show you what I mean. So in this top 2 sentences here, we have the boy loved his hat and the dog stepped on it. Let's look at the first sentence. First, the boy loved his hat. Like I said before, when looking for a direct object in a sentence, look for the verb first. So the boy loved his hat. The verb is loved in this sentence. Now, what is receiving this action? Is the boy receiving this action? No, the hat is receiving this action. So the hat is the direct object in this sentence. So I'm going to underline that for us now. Now, a direct object can be a noun or a pronoun. So looking at our second example, the dog stepped on it. Remember, again, look for the verb first. In this sentence, the verb is step. Now, what is receiving the action of that verb? Is the dog being stepped on? No, it is being stepped on. So in this case, we have a pronoun that is our direct object. So I'm going to underline it because it is my direct object. Now for the second 2 sentences we're going to look at, right down here, we're going to learn about our compound direct objects. Now compound often in grammar means multiple, more than one, okay? It's bigger, right? So for our compound direct objects, it means that we're going to have more than one noun or pronoun receiving the action of a verb. So let's look at the first sentence. The cat ate beans and rice. Remember, look for the verb first. The verb is ate in this sentence. It's our action verb. Now, what is receiving the action? Is the cat being eaten? No. The beans and rice are being eaten. So I'm going to underline beans and rice as our compound direct objects. For our second example, we have she broke the vase, cup, and plate. Look for the verb first. Broke, correct. Now what is broken? Is she broken? No. The vase is broken, the cup is broken, and the plate is broken. Those are the nouns that have received the action of the verb. So I'm going to underline vase, cup, and plate because they received the action of the word broke. Okay? So today you are going to work on pages 79 and 80 in your softcover book, and then you are going to answer the questions and you are going to check your answer key. Remember, if you really struggle, get in touch with me and I can help you out. All right? Make sure that you also watch the other video on this assignment that is reviewing the vocabulary words for the Old Yeller unit, and then participate in the Flipgrid assignment by both responding to the question and also giving feedback to someone who has responded. All right? Thank you very much and have a great Journeys Day.